Welcome to our guide on migrating from Android to iOS in 2025. Let's explore why this move is important and what you'll need to know. Before you begin the migration process, it's crucial to assess your data and applications. Let's go over a simple checklist to make sure you're ready. To safeguard your data, backing up your Android device is essential. Here's how you can do that step by step. Now that you've backed up your data, it's time to set up your new iPhone. Let's walk through the booting and initial setup. The Move to iOS app makes the transfer process smooth. Here's a detailed walkthrough of how to use it effectively. During the migration, you'll have the option to transfer your contacts, messages, photos, and videos. Let's see how it's done. Once your data has transferred, it's time to find and reinstall your favorite apps from the App Store. Here's how. Personalizing your new iOS experience is the next step. Let's configure your settings for optimal use. To ensure everything works smoothly after migration, here are some post-migration tips to keep in mind. Congratulations on your successful migration. Embrace your new iOS ecosystem and enjoy all its benefits. Thank you for watching.